Hi, today we're going to see together how to insert dormers and wall dormers. In the roof step, a dormer can be inserted once the roof is created. On this project we have a gable roof right here. In the dormer tab, we can select three types of dormers: a flat roof dormer, gable roof dormer and hip roof dormer. A click on the icon corresponding to the dormer of our choice and a dormer appears on the drawing area. We can position it with the mouse and validate with one click. Once placed, we can move it with the arrow keys for more precision. When the dormer is selected, its options appear on the right panel. It is then possible to configure it entirely in height, width and thickness as well as the angle of the roof and its overhangs. In the opening step we can also modify or delete and replace the window used by default. Wall dormers work in the same way, with one more precision. These, which are located here, will have to be positioned directly on the project wall. The facade of the wall dormer will be aligned with the facade of the project, which is not the case with the dormer window. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.